First activation! Flood warning! Oh my god! Oh wow, it's still going! Shut up! Ugh.
County in southwestern
There we go.
Pennsylvania until 10:15.
How long does that keep going?
At 8:22 p.m., radar indicated
Wow.
heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing. Shortly. Hazard. Flash flooding caused by heavy rain source.
Almost
Radar impact. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Latrobe, Muskegonatown, Loyalhanna, Blairsville, Derry, Lawson Heights, New Florence, and Bolivar.